Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are fit and fine. Dear students, today we will revise editing errors. Students, as you all know that editing is a stage of the writing process in which writer, or we can say editor, strives to improve a draft by correcting errors and making words and sentences clearer, more precise and as effective as possible. Or students, in other words, we can say that it's a short text with one error in each line is given to us here. Okay, a short text may be given. Okay, and students, we have to find out the error. हमें बेटा उसमें से क्या करना है, एरर को फाइंड आउट करना है, उस टेक्स्ट में से मिस्टेक को फाइंड आउट करना है एंड देन स्टूडेंट्स उसको ठीक करके करेक्ट करके जो है करेक्ट वर्ड वहाँ पर write करना. Okay, we have to write down the correct word here. First of all, try to find out the incorrect word, then students replace it with the correct one. Or students, editing is generally done during proofreading. Okay, and it can be of two types like error and omissions. एरर्स में बेटा क्या होता है कि आपको जो है बेटा मिस्टेक्स को फाइंड आउट करना होता है. ओके, यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट द मिस्टेक्स एंड देन यू हैव टू मेक इट करेक्ट. एंड स्टूडेंट्स, omissions में आपको वर्ड को इंसर्ट करना होता है, यू हैव टू ऐड. ओके, सो स्टूडेंट्स, इन एडिटिंग जनरली वी ऐड और delete, just we can say. Suppose students, whenever you take a photograph, तो बेटा जब आप कोई फोटोग्राफ अपनी लेते हैं then students, you do editing in that. आप उसमें एडिटिंग करते हैं ना, आप उसमें फ़िल्टर्स ऐड करते हैं, आप कोई साउंड इफ़ेक्ट ऐड करते हैं, कुछ ना कुछ कलर्स चेंज करते हैं, बहुत सारी एडिटिंग करते हैं आप लोग, वीडियो एडिटिंग करते हैं, हम कुछ भी करते हैं. तो स्टूडेंट्स, जब वो एग्जैक्ट हो जाती है, प्रॉपर हो जाती है, देन आप उसको आगे जो है फॉरवर्ड कर देते हो या अपलोड कर देते हो, लाइक सेम. तो ऐसे ही बेटा हमें सेंटेंसेस को अच्छे से रीड करना है. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल, ओके, रीड ऑल दी सेंटेंसेस गिवन टू यू केयरफुली. देन स्टूडेंट्स, ट्राई टू फाइंड आउट द एरर कि उसमें क्या मिस्टेक है उस सेंटेंस में. यू हैव टू फाइंड आउट दैट एरर. देन स्टूडेंट्स, राइट डाउन द इनकरेक्ट वर्ड as well as the correct word. Okay, and complete the sentence. For example, students, first one, I are a student. It's a very easy sentence. It's a very simple sentence. I are a student. It's very easy for you here to find out the error. Yes, no? So it should be I am. R is wrong here. Just one sentence is given. यहाँ एक sentence given है. आपको just बेटा क्या करना है, उसमें से आपको mistake जो है वो find out करनी है. And then write down the incorrect word as R we have written here. And write down the correct word कि यहाँ पर क्या word आना चाहिए, that is am. Okay. So it should be I am a student. That is called just editing. Okay. Then students, next one. He have taken my pen. With he we use has here. Okay, we should use here has. So have is wrong here, so it should be has. Next one, he did not taken my book. बेटा रिमेंबर कि जब आप did यूज़ कर रहे हो तो उसके बाद जो आप verb यूज़ कर रहे हो that should be base verb. फर्स्ट फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब होनी चाहिए लाइक टेक, और यहाँ पर क्या गिवन है, taken. तो it's wrong here. तो we will write down in incorrect word taken and correct word should be take. Now students, how can we rewrite it? He did not take my book. Okay, like this we should rewrite this sentence and make it correct. Okay, he did not take my book. Then students, next one, he is a honest boy. Incorrect word is a. Article a is wrong here. It should be an because it's a vowel sound, honest. So it should be an. तो बेटा रिमेंबर, जब भी आप बेटा आइडेंटिफाई कर रहे हैं, फाइंड आउट कर रहे हैं मिस्टेक्स को, एरर्स को, देन स्टूडेंट्स देयर में भी एरर ऑफ प्रिपोजिशंस, प्रोनाउंस, आर्टिकल्स, डिटर्मिनर्स, कंजंक्शंस, टेंसेस, वर्ब फॉर्म्स, spellings. Okay, like this. So students, try to find out the error and make it correct. So here it should be an. He is an honest boy. Yes students, next one. A saint love all men. Here students, a saint. In this sentence students, the subject is in the singular number. Here the subject is in the singular number. So the verb love is wrong here. It should be loves. Okay, it should be loves. बेटा singular number है आपका तो verb भी singular होगी. And students, in second one, saints loves all men. Here students, in this sentence, the subject is in the plural number. It's saints. Okay, it's in plural number. So the verb love should be there. Loves is wrong here. It should be love. So students, remember that a verb must agree with its subject in number and a verb must agree with its subject in person. Okay. Then students, next one, I have decorates this room. Here students, decorates. It's wrong here. Okay. It should be decorated. With has and have students, we use third form of the verb. Okay. With has and have. बेटा जहाँ has और have आ जाते हैं तो आपको verb की third form use करनी है. So decorates is wrong here. It should be decorated. Okay. It should be decorated. Okay. Then students, next one. Rahul, in addition to his brother, have come. Okay. Rahul, in addition to his brother, have come. Here students, have is wrong. Okay. Have is wrong. It should be has. Why students? Because beta commas used to enclose the word groups. This part. Okay. This part. Commas used to enclose the word groups show that these word groups are not to be treated as part of the subject. ये बेटा इस वाले part को हमें जो है as a subject treat नहीं करना है. Okay. And a verb will agree with its subject before the word group. Okay. It's Rahul here. Before the word group. So subject is singular. So it should be has here. Okay. I'm going to repeat. Please listen it very carefully again students. Here, commas used to enclose the word groups show that these word groups are not to be treated as part of the subject and a verb will agree. Verb किसके साथ agree करेगा? A verb will be agree with its subject before the word group. So it should be has here. Okay, have is wrong here and it should be has. Okay. Then next one students. When do you go home last night? When do you go home last night? Last night is given to us here. So, do is wrong here. It should be did. Okay. It should be did. Okay. Understood how to complete it? Now students, it's very easy to find out the errors. Next one. Either Saurav or his parents is to be rewarded. Is. It's wrong here. It should be are. Okay. Why students? Because students, when two subjects like Saurav and his parents, two subjects are given. Okay. When two subjects are joined with either and or. Okay. When two subjects are joined with either or neither or nor or not only but also, then students, what we should do? The verb must agree with the second subject. Okay. Here the verb must agree with the second subject. हमें second subject को find out करना है बेटा और उसके according हमें यहाँ पर verb choose करनी है. That is are. That's why students is wrong here. Okay. It should be are. Okay. Then students, next one. He distributed these sweets among two girls. Among is wrong here. It should be between. For two persons we use preposition between. Okay. Like this students, we have to just find out the mistakes in sentences and then students we have to make it correct. Now students, let's read this passage. The following passage has not been edited. There is one error in each line. Find the error and write correct and incorrect word in your answer sheet. Here students, let's read it first of all and then try to find out the answer. Yesterday I have some important work in the office and comes very late last night and unfortunately the dog waking up and started to barking. Here students, in first line, yesterday I have is wrong here. It should be had. In second line students, comes is wrong here. It should be second form, that is came. Then in third line, waking is wrong here, it should be walk. Then next line, barking, it's again wrong here, it should be bark. Okay, this action of the dog awaken my mother. Awaken is wrong here, it should be a walk. She didn't heard. Heard is wrong here, it should be hear. She did not hear my voice because the dog was barking. It should be barking. Barked is wrong here. So like this, students, first of all read the passage carefully. Okay, read the passage carefully, and then students try to find out the errors, and then students write down the incorrect as well as the correct word. Okay, write down the incorrect and the correct word in the space provided to you. Okay, so students, whenever you try to find out the error, then students read the passage given to you carefully or read the sentence given to you carefully. Then students try to find out the error. Then students write down incorrect word, that it is incorrect. Okay, then write down the correct word also and complete your task like this. Okay, now students, I hope that all of you have understood this part well. So students, that's all for today beta. Thanks and have a nice day.